In this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue of the Minecraft launcher not opening. If this tutorial helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. If the Minecraft launcher crashes when you try to open it, or if it simply doesn't open at all, follow these steps to resolve the issue. First, click on the search icon at the bottom of your screen and type Minecraft Launcher. When it appears in the search results, right-click on it and select App Settings. This will open the settings page for the Minecraft launcher. Scroll down and click on the Terminate button to close the app completely. After that, try repairing the launcher by clicking the Repair button. This should only take a few moments to complete. Additionally, you can click Reset to reset the launcher entirely. Wait for the process to finish. Once that's done, go back to the search bar, type Minecraft Launcher again, and open it. Hopefully, the launcher will now open without issue. It might require a quick update, so just give it a moment. Once it's finished, you should be able to start playing Minecraft. If this guide was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have an awesome day.